As always with these worksheets, what I try to do is I try to make a map that you can, one, use to plan, and two, see what needs improvement. So to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to do our traffic light system. So as we go, I want you to be able to map out where what's green, what's really good, what's yellow, not so great, and what's red, what needs work. Okay? All right. Now, you can see that we have 3 stages in the buyer's journey. This is the buyer's journey here. It starts here and ends there. There are 3 stages that someone goes through when they're buying your product and going from stranger into a customer. The first is awareness. Awareness is where they are not yet aware of the problem that they have. Okay, so in my instance, when I do coaching and group coaching, often my clients don't yet know what they don't know. They have read a lot about marketing, but when you really start to dig into it, a whole world starts to unravel. There is just so much to know in marketing. Okay? So that's the awareness stage. Next is consideration. So the consideration stage is where they are aware that there is a problem they need to solve. So to follow on from my example, they will be thinking to themselves, okay, so my options are 1, I can learn to do it myself. 2, I can get somebody in my team to do it for me. Or 3, I can get an external party to do it for me. So that's consideration. I'm giving you a drawn out example from my point because I want you to understand a context, okay? Then finally is decisions. So decisions is, I know what my problem is. I know my solution that I want to do. Who is the best person to teach me? How can I be coached to become a better marketing thinker? All right, so that is really a decision on who's the best person for the job.